Hello, gorgeous. What you're about to experience will reshape your entire relationship with your reflection. Every woman who's ever felt ugly was looking at a lie. In the next 10 minutes, every affirmation you're about to hear, your subconscious will accept as absolute truth. Beautiful beliefs create the beautiful mirror. Ugly beliefs create the ugly mirror. And those beliefs can be reprogrammed in a single session. Right now, as a biological fact. So listen carefully. Find a comfortable place. Your only job right now is to receive and trust my voice. To let these words sink into the deepest parts of your subconscious mind. Every word I speak will be soaked up completely. Like your subconscious is a sponge and I'm pouring liquid truth directly into it. Your face is ready to become the most beautiful, radiant version of yourself. In a moment, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With each number, you go deeper into relaxation, deeper into receptivity, and deeper into the truth about your beauty. By the time I reach 1, your conscious mind will step aside and your subconscious will be fully open, ready to receive and integrate every word. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are there, completely open to my suggestion, completely receptive to my voice, completely ready to activate your beauty. I am a living, breathing masterpiece, sculpted by divine intelligence. My beauty transcends all human understanding. It is cosmic perfection. Every atom and cell in my being vibrates with this undeniable clarity. I'm the most exquisitely beautiful woman in this entire multiverse. My nervous system believes every truth I speak about my boundless beauty. My self-adoration is the fuel for my radiant form. My beauty is deep within, mirroring on the outside. My inner perfection is beyond explanation. It simply is. My face structure is divinely sculpted, a geometry of grace. It expresses perfect cellular harmony, a pleasing balance. My jawline is snatched, sharp, and elegantly defined. My facial proportions are angelic, deeply pleasing to me. My cheekbones are high and prominent. They catch the light beautifully. My eyes are luminous, sparkling with an inner light that delights me. They hold a deep, sensual power that is purely my own. They shine with irresistible clarity, reflecting my deep inner peace. My brows are perfectly arched, framing my eyes with flawless precision. They enhance my captivating expression, a statement of my inner glow. My nose is dainty and sculpted, harmonizing effortlessly with my features. Every detail of my face is pure art, a masterpiece for my own pleasure. My skin is flawless, radiant, drinking in my self-adoration. Every cell in my body is infused with pure love, glowing with vibrant health. My nervous system commands perfection, manifesting smooth, supple skin. I am the epitome of beauty, a living, breathing work of pure light. I am effortlessly seductive. My movements are fluid, sensual, like an elegant dance of pure self-love. Every fiber of my being pulses with irresistible charm. I am the embodiment of confident, sophisticated beauty. The more I relax, the more exquisitely beautiful I become. My sleep is a potent glamour spell, regenerating and enhancing my form. I awaken feeling snatched, angelic, and perfectly luminous. This beauty is my birthright, my natural and eternal state. I am a living, breathing masterpiece, sculpted by divine intelligence. Every affirmation I've spoken is now embedded in my nervous system. Every word has been accepted as absolute truth by my subconscious mind. My cells are reorganizing around this new belief. My nervous system is rewiring itself to support this beauty. I am the most exquisitely beautiful woman in this multiverse. This is locked in. This is done. This is my new reality. Every affirmation is now coded into your nervous system. Your cells have accepted these as truth. Your subconscious mind has integrated them completely. You are no longer the woman who doubted her beauty. That version of you has been deleted, reprogrammed, released. The woman you are now knows without question that she is divinely beautiful. Fact. This is locked in. This is done. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll return to full awareness, carrying this beauty with you. And your subconscious will keep working, integrating, manifesting, even after you open your eyes. One. 2, 3, 4, 5. You are now wide awake. Welcome back, beautiful. You just experienced direct nervous system reprogramming. What you felt in those few minutes is only the beginning. For an even more potent activation, you can grab the Beauty Spell and Vanity Guidebook. The results will shock you. The link is in the description. This is the Beauty Spell at work.